Hello everyone. So in this experiment video we will understand the principles of chromatography. So for the experiment the materials required are a test tube, two sketch pens, you may also take inks of red and blue color, a cork with a hole in it, filter paper, scissor, ruler, pencil, eraser and absolute alcohol which is also called as ethanol. So first of all we'll take a filter paper and we will cut it into two halves so that we'll get a strip for the chromatography. Okay, so this is the strip which we got of the filter paper. Now we'll take the ruler. Okay, let me show that to you. So here, this is the strip. Now we'll take a ruler and we will mark 3 cm from the bottom of the strip, the filter paper strip. So this is about 3 centimeters. We'll make a line. And now from the upper part of the strip, from the line, we will divide that into two equal parts. The intersection point of this line and the below one line, we will name it as P. Now on this point P, first of all we will make a blot by this red sketch pen. So here we'll make it. Let this dry for a while and then at the same place we'll make a blot by this blue sketch pen. Okay, so you can see here we need a good amount of mixture of red and blue inks from the sketch pens for the separation. Now what we will do is we will make the top of this filter paper a little small so that we can fit it into the hole of the cork. Okay, so you can see I fit that into that hole of the cork. And now we will take the test tube, and also one more marking we need to do on the filter paper, which is 1 centimeter is here. So in the test tube we need about 5 to 6 ml of absolute alcohol mixture so that the filter paper is dipped just 1 centimeter from the bottom and it is at least 2 centimeter above the solvent which we are using here, ethanol. So now we will take it and pour this into the test tube. Yeah, so this is sufficient. Now we will take this filter paper strip and put into the test tube with ethanol. Now we'll fix it here and we'll mark the observations after about 15 to 20 minutes. What happens to this paper, this filter paper strip? After just a couple of minutes, we can see both the inks rising on the filter paper. We will observe the final observations after 15 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes, the observations which we can make are the blot by the two inks we made it here, and after 10 to 15 minutes, the mixture has risen and it has separated into exactly the two colors which we put there, the red ink and the blue ink. So it depends on the mixture the constituents of the mixture, which one will be below and which will be up. So this depends on the flow of the mixture on the adsorbent medium. Here we took the solvent as ethanol. So this was all about the observations of the experiment. If we talk about the theory related to this separation technique, chromatography is used to separate the mixtures in the industrial sectors, and we can separate many mixtures with chromatography, like the mixtures of different dyes. We may also take many colors, like here I took 2 colors, but we may take more than 2 and separate them. So this can be done using chromatography. Then the drugs, they are extracted from the blood sample. That is also done through chromatography. There are many other uses of this technique as well. Most of the inks and organic compounds in general contain several impurities. So chromatography is a separation technique to extract pure compounds from these. So this was all about the experiment.